A few months back, we got a message from Chaotic Lab asking if we'd be interested in trying out their new CNC tab kit. We couldn't resist the opportunity, so instead we asked them for everything metal they had. We've taken their Voron 2.4 CNC parts kit, tab kit, Z-tensioners, and their tool-free idlers to build an all-metal Voron 2.4. If you've never heard of Chaotic Lab before, they make a variety of premium CNC aluminum and carbon fiber parts for Voron printers. If you're interested in anything you see here, check out the link to their site in the video description. This is LDO, our LDO Voron 2.4. We built this on the channel about a year ago and it's been working pretty hard ever since. So when this opportunity came up, we were actually a little bit reluctant to tear it apart. The printed parts worked great and they were holding up just fine. Were we going to see any real-world improvements for all this effort? We had to find out for ourselves. One of the first things we noticed when we opened up the box was that almost everything in here looks different than its printed counterpart. Some parts have even been completely redesigned, like these Z-joints that use springs and spherical bearings. While some of the other parts are just slimmed down to reduce weight and take advantage of the extra strength aluminum offers. There are no shims used anywhere in the gantry. All of the bearing shafts are precision machined, making the assembly process a breeze. One small but fantastic feature is these little tabs that take all the guesswork out of squaring up and aligning everything. We'd been wanting to put a CAN bus toolhead board on this machine for a while, so it seemed like a great time to do that. We bought this EBB SB2209 board from Big Tree Tech, and we were ready to ditch the cable chains once and for all. We were really happy to see that Chaotic Lab had a solution for us already in the box. They included this small mount for a cable gland, and it even has a spot to anchor a steel wire. This is a really nice touch. These tool-free tensioners are separate upgrades. They make belt tensioning a snap, and they look great doing it, even if they are missing those eyebrows. The CNC tab from Chaotic Lab is an all-metal version of the Voron Tab Z Pro, but it has a few interesting differences, like the use of an MGN7 linear rail instead of the MGN9, and the single large magnet where the Voron version has two smaller angled ones. When these first came out, there were some reports of wobbly rails. Chaotic Lab actually sent us a new rail to install, but we decided to wait and see if it was really necessary. Installation was straightforward and not much different from the Voron one. It's about 3mm thinner too, so you won't lose any Y trouble. Okay, so we may have stretched the truth a little when we said full metal Voron. There are still some printed parts here. For the most part, they blend in, but the anodized red parts are hard to color match, which makes the skirts in particular look a little haphazard. We finished this build about 3 months ago, and it's been putting down perfect first layers this whole time. We waited for the wobbly tap rail to cause issues, but it never did. The input shaper graphs are similar, and we're still running the same speeds and accelerations as before. Overall, we can conclude that these Chaotic Lab parts are a premium product with a premium price tag. The documentation was fantastic and complete, the build was very simple, and the parts fit great. While you aren't likely to notice any amazing differences on the quality or the speed of your prints, you'll definitely notice how easy adjustments are and how quick maintenance becomes. Thanks for watching and keep on making.